And the race is on. Island Friend moving up from the outside is the outstanding fair, and this one is Ideal View. Ideal View followed by Ilufa. Abonstracious racing from the outside by the rally's Island Friend. Kid Dugo also moving up. Then comes Royal Fan. Executive Order, while Mana Mana is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, Ideal View leading the pack, followed by Ilufa. Kid Dugo is racing by the rail. Island Friend is racing in fourth from the outside. Is entry number 6, Abon's Racer, and here comes Royal Friend. And still Ideal View, followed now by Kid Dugo by the rail. Ilufa, Abon's Racer, and moving up by the rail is Royal Friend. Island Friend rounding the fourth turn. Ideal View still leading by 2 lengths. Kid Dugo, Ilufa, Abon's Racer, and running by the rails, Royal Friend and Island Friend. As they pass the last 400, Ideal View leading by some 2 lengths. Kid Dugo still trying his very best in second. Abon's Racer, Ilufa, Tanori inside. Royal Friend and Island Friend. Entering the last 250, Ideal View. Kid Dugo is on the outside, but still Ideal View and Kid Dugo entering the finish line from start to finish. The outstanding favorite, Ideal View, Kid Dugo, Abon's Racer, number 3, Island Friend, Ilufa, Royal Friend, Mana Mana, and